Yeah, just say hi to my Pookie Bear here. That helps me a lot because I don't have to move the law. And yeah, welcome today, guys, to the video that I was thinking I'm not going to make, but I'm making it because in the morning it was really bad weather today, and now it's sunny and it's better. So I was thinking I'm going to show you something, and I'm just going to talk to you because I have a secret message for you. Not a secret message, but just something I want to tell you because I want all of you to be safe on the roads. And yeah, of course, today's videos about the motorcycles and about the crashes. As you can see, here's broken down Kawasaki of my friend that I'm fixing right now because he crashed it. Yeah, so we're gonna run through the motorcycle real quick, just show you what is wrong, what we put off, and what we did, and what we're gonna do. Yeah, so you can see, I hope my hand's not in the phone, that the front suspension is really bad. I will show you like this. You can see the angle, it should be straight, right? Both of them are a little bit in a bad angle, and yeah, we need to buy new those and put them here. Also, there are some bodywork, some scratches on the tank and even on the plastics, as you can see here. Yeah, those are all the stuff we took out. You have the headlight, or you have the brake calipers, the speedometer. We even narrowed the license plate. It was all bent over all the way down. Yeah, this is all the stuff we need to brush it and put a new paint here. And yeah, also we did something with the electricity in the back because there were broken blinkers or flashes, or I don't know how you call it. And yeah, this was actually not a good experience for him. Well, I'm glad he has this experience because I was always scared about him because he was like, yeah, I'm going to be riding so fast, and I was like, yeah, just calm down a little bit, keep it safe. And he's a little bit weirdo with motorcycles, even though he has the motorcycle for a year maybe now. And yeah, of course, uh, me as I'm riding motorcycles since I was 7 years old, I'm now like more mature, if I can say that. So I'm not speeding a lot. When I go on the bike, I'm going 70 kilometers per hour on the 90, and I'm just happy that I'm outside on the bike, and it is enough for me. But yeah, he wants to enjoy his bike. And how it happened, he basically went on a date with his girlfriend. They had a slight disagreement, not slight, just some small argument. So he got on the bike, he tried to flex the bike in front of her, and on the 50 in the city, he just got 80 kilometers per hour on the third gear, and luckily he just slided on the road and crashed into the sidewalk. Just the motorcycle crashed into the sidewalk. That is why why the front suspension is broken. He was alright. He just got ripped jeans, and he's alright. The girl cried, as it's always when girls or someone who loves you see you do something stupid or something happen to you. And yeah, this is what we're going to fix. It's going to be pretty expensive for him, but it's definitely experience, and I hope he gets some respect to the bike. And yeah, I hope that it's just going to help him reduce the speeds and just be more enjoyable with the nature around him when he's riding and things like that. Well, and yeah, my message to you, yeah, I'm thinking it all the way through the video because of course I like to make a script, but I never can keep the script. So today I was like, yeah, I'm going to make it without a script. And now I just wanted to tell you that I need to buy some stand for the mobile phone or for the camera because when I'm talking for 3 minutes straight, my hand is just starting to fall down. And yeah, what I wanted to tell you is that I want you guys to be safe on the roads, not because only of you, because of you also. I don't want anything to happen to you, but because there are other people on the road that like shouldn't pay for your mistakes. You know, when you crash and nothing happens to you, it's perfect. But when you crash, nothing happens to you, and you do something to someone else, you're going to be living with it for the rest of your life. For example, me, I did not do anything to someone else. I just crashed a lady in the new G-Wagon. She crashed me, she was in my line, and I was on my bike at like 80 kilometers. My friend in the back, he just flew through her windshield. She was at fault, but it was scary for me to see someone behind me, someone who I had responsibility for, to to see something happen to them, and you're going to be living with it forever. But from that moment, I was scared to take my sister on a bike with me, and yeah, of course, you should care about yourself in the first place, and you are a little bit impossible to see on the bike because the bikes are small, and even when you have dark bikes, this one is good because it's yellow, but when you have dark bike, for some car driver that was never on the bike, it's like impossible to see you because he's just thinking, yeah, he's not there, and I'm not used to motorcycles. He's not there, but you're standing there in the, for example, near the sidewalk, and he just runs you over, and you just always have to keep in mind that other people can make mistakes too. It's not just your mistake. It's not just something you do to someone else. You just have to always think what others think. For example, when I want to change direction to the right and somebody's across the street, I know he wants to go left to my right. I know I'm the first one who should go, but I always keep in mind that he could just put a mouse in there, and just run me over, and that is something you really have to keep thinking about. So, my impact message to you today is do bullshits. I love doing funny bullshits on the field, on the roads, on the pavement roads, on the sidewalks, in the village, in the city, everywhere. It's perfect. I know it. It's just a dead lore with friends. We do it all the time. But always think about others. Think about what they could do or what you could do to them. Because imagine that there was a children on the sidewalk and he hit a children with the bike. The children would be dead. The bike has 180 kilograms. I was there with my van to get the motorcycle, and him. In two people, we wouldn't be able to get the bike in the van. So my friend came over and he helped us, and thanks to him we did it. But even in three people, it was pretty heavy. And yeah, guys, keep it safe. I will take you through the building of the bike, through how we do the front suspension and how we do the bodywork. And yeah, I know it's just a talk to you, but be safe, guys. I love you. See ya.